My 2020 Corvette does not have enough horsepower. It needs something. So I contacted Nitrous Express, and today we're installing more freedom. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the vlog, and welcome to a beautiful day here in Louisville, Kentucky. Look at that sunshine. It's absolutely awesome. Yes, this morning we are headed out to Dynasty to install a Nitrous Express nitrous kit on my car. I gotta tell you, I am a little out of my comfort zone. I don't want to blow this up. You know, at the time of this filming, it's probably out by the time I'm doing this, but there's already a Corvette engine blown up, and I don't want that to be me. I really don't have the cash to put a brand new engine in here anyways, but we're gonna have some fun and do this. We're doing it for you guys, so make sure you smash that thumbs button, hit the subscribe button, and turn all your bell notifications on as well. And you guys know I've got the Soul Performance Sport Cats on it. Update: Soul Performance is building my exhaust right now. It should be here any day now. So one of the last few Sport Cat exhaust sounds you're gonna get from this Corvette. So now that's going. I'll meet you here at Dynasty. Yes, we're at Dynasty in Middletown, Kentucky, and they're the ones who work on my car. And they do a great job here in Louisville. And they work on a little bit of everything. So they're just getting into more and more GM stuff. They've always done GM stuff. They're a huge Mopar. Obviously the imports is what they're really known for. But yes, they're gonna install the nitrous on this. So let me share with you what we've got. So we're gonna leave it to them. They're gonna do a fantastic job. I'm just gonna show you when we're done the entire setup. All right, and here we are back at Dynasty. It's after hours. I was so crazy busy today that yeah, I couldn't get here during the time frame. So I'm gonna show you what we did. They weren't able to complete the job today. I have a deadline tomorrow that I need the car with. And so we got most of it done. I'm not gonna be able to spray it, but let's show you the first fun part. All right, we mounted the bottle. Boom, right there it is. Absolutely awesome, mounting the bottle right up here in the front trunk. Now, I would really like to have mounted it up here. I think that'd be cooler, so that way, you know, when you're coming back here, you can kind of get that picture right there and see the nitrous bottle. But I use my front trunk every day, so I had to mount it at the bottom here. So it's kind of covert as well. So let's go to the back and see what's back there. All right, and back here we go. Nitrous Express throttle body. We got some controllers, have no idea what they do. This right here, this is a little tricky. So this is kind of a heat wrap right there. So we have to put this around here because if we didn't, this would actually rattle against here. So that's very, very smart of Dynasty to do, to get that so there's no rattles, it doesn't mar this up and all that stuff. So let's look inside at the controllers. So what I want to do is I want to mount all of the switches right inside here. So anytime I need to use it, open that up, flip the switches. So we got something hanging here, no idea what that does. We have some switches down here as well. So now what I did with this is I made these automotive connectors, so that way it's very, very easy to take off and return everything back to stock. So it's very, very important if I want to do something down the road that I can unhook this and not have to cut wires and just make it very, very simple. So that's done there. We're gonna tuck those back up in there because again, I'm not gonna be able to spray this today. So yeah, that's kind of what we've gotten done so far today.
One eternity later.
Guys, and just like that, we are back at Dynasty. This is actually 3 days later that I'm back. Man, I'll tell you, I've never modded a car before. This is by far the most mods I've ever done to a car, and to a brand new car that no information's out there. It's really interesting to say the least. And so it's also easy to say that things just don't go as they plan. So back here at Dynasty, and I showed you that exhaust from Soul Performance. Well, that is now on. And also we have the nitrous completely all done. And since I thought it was gonna be 1 day, turn it into 3, we might as well just turn this into a 2-for video, right? We got the nitrous and we got the Soul Performance exhaust installed. But I can't remember from a week ago what we've shown. So we got the nitrous all installed up here, the Nitrous Express setup. We got the purge valve right there. They've done a really good job with this heat wrap to make sure this doesn't rattle. I think we talked about this before. And then we got that 10-pound bottle from Nitrous Express right up here, along with a bottle heater. Yeah, I need some more nitrous though. I've been playing with it. I may or may not have been sitting in the driveway, turning it on and just hitting the purge so that I can see it spray up. It looks cool. I don't know. Got this nice big box from my boys at Soul Performance. So say goodbye to these ugly square tips and the oh so quiet exhaust coming out the back. Two of you guys are carrying it. You know my wife put that in the Tesla all by herself, right guys?
She's stronger than you.
And this is kind of what we've been waiting for, and I gotta give a big shout out to my boy Ken Lingenfelder. He hooked me up. He hooked me up with a bunch of wires. No, that's not it. Wait, where's it at? Oh, there it is. It's in there. It is in there. This shows you what I know. So Ken overnighted me this LNC 2014. It's used on the C7 a whole lot. We're gonna use it on the C8. Also helps to my boy Andrew at CSP, so he's the one who started using this on his car as well. We don't want to blow the C8 up, so we're gonna use that to make sure we have the timing down, so that way it sprays correctly. All right, so new stuff in here. We have the window switch down here. So this is an MSD digital window switch. It'll tell the car when to spray nitrous at the shift points and right before the shift points. We did some testing beforehand to make sure that we know exactly when and when not to spray. And as I said to you guys earlier, we're gonna put all the switches in here. So check this out. This is a billet aluminum display there. And we have the turn on switches all right there. Bottle heater, on system, purge, absolutely sweet, and kind of matches my wrap a little bit. Well, you want to, before we spray the car, do you want to start the exhaust up and let's hear it?
I guess, yeah.
All right, let's go.
Rock and roll.
All right, guys, we are here at the Oh my God! No, you're good. You're good. You're good. You were good.
One more time.
Oh,
Here we go.
Oh my gosh!
One more, right?
All right, one more. Neighbors, I'm really sorry, neighbors. Really sorry. Dude, I jumped. I truly jumped. So and Brock saw, he's like, he just jumped so hard. So you guys remember when we got the car at 1,500 miles, we did the dyno. We were hitting something right around 450 or so, 455 if I remember right. I'll put it on the screen right here because I got the dyno sheets at home. And then we did the Soul Performance exhaust. We were adding 17, so we're just shy of 470 on the car. So we're gonna do another one with the Soul Performance exhaust all the way on there and see what happens. I'm actually a little worried about this because this car is extremely smart. It pulls timing out and everything. So I'm afraid with how loud that exhaust is and that knock sensor will go crazy. And yeah, we'll maybe not have as much horsepower. We'll see. Let's go. I saw 6,500 RPMs. Ooh, 441. We lost a little bit.
Yeah, just a bit.
Okay, all right. That, I'm telling you, that's kind of what I was talking about. This is nothing against Soul, nothing against Dynasty. It's strictly fact that we need to tune this car. We need to be able to tune this car. All right, guys, so you just saw what that naturally aspirated pull was. We're getting ready to do the nitrous pull. All right, let's see what happens. Woo! We didn't blow it up. We didn't blow it up. What do we do? 520. Oh, nice. 523.
Look. No nitrous. Nitrous. There you go.
Love it. We forgot to mention, we were too excited about the horsepower, but we got 533 torque, 523 horse.
That is with a 75 shot.
75 shot. Thank you. So we were talking off camera here, and I was asking him dumb questions, as I have to ask, because I'm a moron. But I was asking about if air density and DA was a matter of on here for the numbers. And then Hal was like, uh-oh, I forgot something. And I'm like, what'd you forget? And he had a guy in here earlier that was doing some NASA testing. Is that right? NASA testing. And we had this on SAE up there. So, did I say that all right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right. So I'm not always a moron. So we're going to do another poll. And we have now converted it to standard dyno jet testing.
Correct.
Say that right as well?
Perfect.
Yes. Not an idiot today. Well, I'm telling you, I'm hitting on all cylinders today. It's a good day for me. Wait, let's strike that whole idiot thing, because he can just click a button and put it on the standard as I was just showing you. And so we're hitting at 532 horse, 542 torque. You guys happy with that? Those numbers?
Yes,
That's awesome.
absolutely.
I love it.
That's awesome, man.
All right, guys, so I'm really excited for this build. We're going to do more. We were talking off camera, and we got some things coming up. So before we go, I want to do a couple drive-bys and share with you this exhaust. This exhaust, the microphones do not do this exhaust crazy. So in the future, I'm going to go over in cabin noise and all that good stuff. But let's get a couple drive-bys before we go. Sounds nasty, doesn't it? I hope you enjoyed those couple of drive-bys. I will update you down the road how everything works on the inside as far as the sound, the noise, any type of drone, stuff like that. It's kind of interesting on this sound. It's absolutely amazing. So special thanks to Soul Performance for making this happen. It's absolutely awesome. I love these round pipes. Absolutely beautiful. And also a big special shout out to Nitrous Express for making the nitrous stuff happen. Stay tuned. We're going to dyno this. We're going to have one of the fastest C8s in the world. We're going to go full bore with this car. We're going to have some special things coming up. With that, we're out.